Hello everyone, my name's John McDonald and welcome to our Friday extra video. So this year we've got lots of videos coming up, but at the start of the year a lot of people have New Year's resolutions. I'm not one for New Year's resolutions, but this year I've got a little project that I'm going to be working on. So I want to show you where we're going to start with it, and then hopefully throughout the year you can see how it progresses. So let's have a look. So here we are, we're in our kind of productive part of the garden, and last year this area here was really two beds that I created with the idea of no dig. So I used a lot of straw, a lot of hay, really mulched it very thickly to create two no dig beds. Now the one that was further away I used for sweet potatoes, which worked really well. But this bed here just became absolutely infested with bindweed, and it's absolutely awful. We can actually have a little look. This is what I'm digging up right now, is bindweed, and it's just the most horrible weed. It's all the way through it. When you look at the soil, that's me just like one spadeful or one forkful turned, and it's just full of weeds. So not so good. So I've got a lot of digging to do, is basically what it's boiling down to. But this area here, we're going to have our polytunnel, and it's going to be 9 foot long and 9 meters long, 3 meters wide, 2 meters high. And this will sit right over these beds that have had this heavy mulch on it. And that'll be sitting right beside what we had last year as basically a flower garden, split into 4 beds. But this year I've decided to move all the stuff that was in there over to the other part of the garden, and this will all become like a productive vegetable garden. So we're going to have a lot of digging and then a lot of building, and then we'll be able to enjoy having fruit and vegetables in the polytunnel, but also flowers. So this is going to give me a great area to be able to get seedlings started and like the dahlias started before it's really mild enough to put things out. So that's my big project. So why not let us know what your big project is for this year? It'd be really interesting to see what you've got up your sleeve and going to be working on. So not only are we going to do designs and flower videos, but we will also have a little look at the garden as well as we go through the year, because it's kind of interesting, I think. So take care everyone, and let's start the year in a flowery way. Bye.